In this video, you are going to learn how to configure and test Chargent Terminal. My name is Stacy and I'm from Chargent. Do you want to learn more about Salesforce and payments? If so, we have made a special checklist for you on 10 ways to make Salesforce payments safe, easy, and profitable. Get the link in the description below. Chargent Terminal is a standalone app that does not require Chargent's main packages to use. The Chargent Terminal app will install everything you need to accept payments through a handheld terminal and track the payments in Salesforce. Chargent Terminal uses the Point Smart terminal hardware to take your in-person credit card and smartphone payments either initiated from or synced to Salesforce. Before we begin, you want to make sure you already have a Point dashboard account and are logged out. In the process of configuration, we will need to link your Salesforce org to the terminals in Point. If you don't have an account set up yet, you should contact our customer support team to have that done. Let's get started. Step 1, assign licenses. Licenses only need to be assigned in production. They do not need to be assigned in your Salesforce sandbox. To assign a license, search and select installed packages, click the Manage License link, and then click Add Users. Step 2, configure the app. You want to configure Chargent Terminal in Salesforce. Remember, terminals themselves are pre-configured when you receive them, so nothing needs to be done to the terminal in advance. You only need to configure the Salesforce settings. Let's jump over to the Chargent Terminal app to set this up. Click on the app launcher and select the Chargent Terminal app. Click the Chargent Terminal Configuration tab. Over on the left, under Initial Setup, you will see the Setup wizard. Let's walk through the steps to configure. Step 2, add the remote site. Step 2B, assign permissions for those who need to use the terminal or administer the terminal configuration. Unlinked payments is for anyone who may need to link orphan terminal payments to a record in Salesforce. Step 2C, authorize the business. This is where you will connect Salesforce to Point in order to sync the terminals. Step 2D, push topic setup. This step makes sure that Salesforce and the terminals are communicating. Step 2E, click Finish. Step 3, add the Lightning component. Now that Chargent is configured, complete Step 3 to add the Lightning component to the page of the object where you want to process payments. If you have Chargent orders installed, we recommend using our custom object. Otherwise, opportunities or Salesforce standard orders will work as well. Next, navigate to any record where you want to add the Chargent Terminal Lightning component. Click the gear icon and select Edit Page. Scroll down to the Chargent Terminal component and drag it into the page layout. We now need to save and activate the page for the default org for both web and phone. When you're finished, just click the back button to go back to the record. Step 4, complete the configuration. From the drop-down menu, select the custom field you want to use for the default amount. You can leave this blank if you want to manually add the amount each time you process a payment. Click Complete and the terminal is set up and ready for testing. Step 5, test. To test, enter an amount in the Charge Amount field and click the Charge with Terminal button. This will send the transaction from Salesforce to the terminal to be completed. On the terminal, you'll see the transaction amount appear. Just insert your card, or if you have Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can just tap your device. Pretty cool, huh? Sign the screen with your finger and select a receipt method. We always recommend digital, such as text message or email. Digital copies last longer and are easy to retrieve later on. In Salesforce, you will now see the terminal payment record and it will settle with your nightly batch. You've now configured and tested Chargent Terminal. And now, check out this next video. My name is Stacy, and at Chargent, we're dedicated to helping Salesforce customers like you keep your payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.